What I'm gonna do is you gotta start out in the front, you know, then I work your way, then I go around the back.
Okay. But so this is like how size? What's the size of the slot? Would you say?
This is probably 3/4 of an acre.
3/4 of an acre? Yeah.
Maybe half.
Looks like kind of looks like half to me.
It might be a half or 3/4. I don't think it's 3/4.
Right, right. Because actually, I think that fence would go back. But this typically, I mean, by push mower, how long would this take? We had to do this by hand in this hot weather that slows you down a bit. Lemonade breaks.
This would be a good hour and a half right here with a push mower.
Right. Even if they're electric, it don't matter. It don't make it any faster. Pushing's pushing, right?
Gas would be a lot quicker. On this grass right here, it will bog up.
Okay. So you're going to take your John Deere out here today?
Yeah, let's get these 0 turns going.
And these things are quick. That was quick. How long did that take you?
25 minutes.
25 minutes?
Yeah.
Half an acre? Now, I don't think I want to try this manually myself.
Yeah, it ain't bad.
Yeah, that was pretty quick. Does it matter, like, if the lot's flat or not? That makes a difference too, right?
But more straight away.
Quicker.
Quicker. Like your house.
Boom. Yeah, you get to drive around the obstacle course.